Welcome back. So real quick, I know this is kind of a quick video and I know it kind of came out of the blue. Everything will be explained in future videos about why this video became to be. If you're a returning subscriber or if it's your first time seeing this video, first time watching the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, like and comment. Oh, another thing, this whole video was shot on my iPhone because I was planning to make a video, but I forgot to charge my camera, so I ended up just doing little clips on my iPhone. So pretty much this whole video is on my iPhone, but you'll be able to see the car. Once again, enjoy.
Yeah, you kind of far away.
Well, you gotta get an introduction, man. DDPF30, you know what I mean? Welcome back, y'all. This is premium Uber service right here.
Premium.
We got, you know, they bring you Wendy's and all that.
Everything. No, we take you to look at houses, everything.
Everything is beautiful. Y'all know why. I know it's been a while. It's all gonna start making sense why I haven't posted nothing in a long time. I'm on my way to go look at a vehicle that hopefully I'll be purchasing today. I'm on my way to see it. We'll be there in a minute. See when I get there. So we are at Classic Auto Mall. They got all the classics in here. Which one? Walk in? No, I'm not. No, I wasn't. I was looking at this. You'll see. I think I'm starting to think this is probably not a good boy already. Oh, they got. Sheesh. You gotta see it. Oh, this place is huge. Look at a golf cart. This is a car. What? I'm not worried about that. Swap to the S550. Windows. Only thing that's gonna suck. Cloth interior. It's the only thing that sucks. Yeah, but I'm a lover guy. I like that. But this is the car, potentially. Just gotta see how it runs and drives. Of course the camera's dead, but just to show you guys what I end up buying, here is my 2019 Mustang GT Performance Pack 2. It's got no Michelin's on there. Expensive tires, 6-piston Brembos. It's dirty right now because it rained. The new channel car. Gotta get some tints on here. 305s in the rear, 19 by 11, people. 19 by 11 in the rear. 19 by 10 up front. We got it in the manual because we want to. My goal is to build a 9-second stick shift car with this car. You guys, quick, you see, all stock, bone stock, before he's packed 2. Gen 3 Coyote, of course. It's the premium, GT premium, of course. Again, all the steering wheel controls, everything. Sync 3, so I got nav right here. I got nav and I have CarPlay. Don't got the heated or cooled seats, but you can see cup holders. The nice seats. These seats are very bolstered. And I don't know if it's just an S550 thing, but yeah, we got 12,000 miles on the car. And again, like I said, we're planning to build this into a 9-second stick car. If it ends up not going well with the stick, we will maybe think about a 10 or 80 swap or auto swap or whatever. Depends on how deep I get with this car, but for now, we're going to keep it stick. I will make another video explaining where the blue Mustang is. We'll go over everything with that car, and we're gonna start like a build breakdown. I'm thinking maybe a Whipple on this thing or some turbos, maybe. I don't know. You guys probably can't even hear the exhaust. It's got the different exhaust modes and all that, but it's probably, I got it in track right now, but it's still not really loud like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.